Hey guys, we got some new snow overnight. Whew. Just hauling some feed for the chickens, and let's see here. See how they react when I let them out. Okay. Just gonna pour this stuff in here, guys. Put you right here for now. And they're crooked there, guys. There we go. Don't have to fall down in there. Okay. Now there's a way of pulling this thing, but I'm not too sure on which way to pull it. I don't know. No way. There's an easier way. Cold knife. Okay. I got this thing stuck in there. Oh, okay. There we go. Whew. There's the feed, guys. Alright. Get them fed up. Get them some water. They go through about a bag a week. Once the spring comes, it won't be so bad. That's their feed there. See if they got some chickens. Or chickens. See if they got some eggs. My Lord. First thing in the morning, guys. Little security system there. Ready, girls and gentlemen? Get the door open. Get a very better system here. Come on. Let's go, ladies. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Get you guys. Oh, you're going for the food. Come on, go get your food. I know, you guys are shocked. You're going, what the heck is going on? More snow. By the way, I was on Facebook this morning, about 15 minutes ago. And Rod Betton, you guys know him as TLC Bear 2? TLC Bear 2? He posted he's tired of this white stuff. And I said, that's okay. I said, I sent it down to you guys. So he's up in Iowa there. Oh, hey. You got any more eggs? Yeah, we do. We should. None there, none there. None there. Oh, look at that. A big, huge hunk of one. There we go. Look at that, guys. One today. Yesterday we had 2. Today we got 1. But I'll take it. It's a big one, too. Yeah. Hey. Want some food? Hey. Gonna go get some food, eh? Yeah. There you go. A little bit of food on the ground there. Food on there. My daily bit there. Alright, put a little bit of food on the ground, get them separated up a bit. A little bit more than I usually put. Hey girl. Come on. There we go. Oh, hey. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? That's the one squirrely chicken. Come on, girls. There we go. That's it. That's it. They're definitely getting their seeds and their water. They're eating a lot of snow there. And just gotta make sure that that's off. That's on. Alright, guys. Well, we got them some water. Water buckets get all frozen up all the time. There we go. Take them both in. Give them some water. So guys, I hope you're having an awesome Saturday. Hope you're enjoying watching this video. That snow is yes, guys. That's what the snow looks like. Whew. Ice. Hey. Yeah, looks like I got some cleaning to do. Freezing rain. Look at the trees. I put up that bird seed thing the other day. Well, a week ago already. And the birds are picking at it. You can see. Chopped off, picking a little bit at it. Probably mostly the blue jays, or maybe the little ones too. The birds are hunkered down now. Can't blame them. Let's see what it looks like up here. Two trucks. Somebody and their dog walked by earlier. Alright guys, I think we'll get those water dishes filled up. Get it filled that sort of misty rain in the air right now. It's -2 right now, and I feel like hitting my face. It's like a cold steam water from like if you had a sauna. You're getting a blast of that warm water, or getting a blast of cool water. It's not too bad. You can hear the rain. On the trees there. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna get back to my chores, and today is March the 24th. It's Saturday. And I posted the other video to this video to the other video. This is just another day on the homestead, guys. It's another day on the homestead, and hope you guys are all having an awesome Saturday. We'll see you later. And as always, ciao for now. Give your thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe. Your comments, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now. Adios.